This is the elevator at Nordstrom, Easton Town Center in Columbus, Ohio. Schindler MP. Let's go to 2. Here we go. Here are 2. One. How close does this not work? 3,500-pound capacity. Let's get a cat view. Very nice elevator for a Nordstrom, identical to the one at Ross Park Mall. Here are 1. Here are 2. Here are 2. Here's the phone. One. This is my favorite elevator at Easton Town Center. Still running fantastic.
Why you were busy? I was busy. I ended up having a customer come in.
Oh, sorry.
And it just took a long time. It's a big sale. So he just got me food. So I ate it at home. I was tired. My family's still here. They leave Sunday. Okay. So I'll be able to see them.
Here you go.
Thank you.
One. This elevator is still running fantastic. Here are 1.